In the coastal town of Serenview, where the waves whispered secrets to the shore and the salty breeze carried dreams, lived Ilara, a gifted artist with a soul attuned to the mysteries of the universe. But beneath her vibrant paintings and serene smile, there was a mystery she couldn't unravel. Each night, as the stars sprinkled the sky with diamond dust, Ilara's dreams transported her to a realm unknown. In these dreams, she walked ancient streets and felt the weight of history around her. And there, standing amidst the shadows of time, was a man whose eyes held a familiarity that echoed in her heart. Though she had never met him, his presence felt like a haunting melody etched into her very being. Meanwhile, in a bustling city of endless stories and relentless energy, lived Adrian. A writer of soul-stirring tales, he found himself inexplicably drawn to a muse he'd never seen in the waking world. In the quiet moments between words, his mind danced through visions of a woman with eyes like galaxies and a smile that could light up the darkest corners of his imagination. Ilara's paintings began to mirror the scenes from her dreams, capturing the essence of a time long past. Adrian's novel, too, took shape, the protagonist's journey intertwined with the unspoken magic of his visions. One fateful day, a gallery in Serenview decided to feature Ilara's dream-inspired collection. As Adrian stumbled upon an online preview, he gasped in awe, for the paintings before him were like pages torn from the very book he was writing. In a surge of inspiration, he booked a ticket to Serenview, driven by a force beyond understanding. On the night of the exhibition, Ilara's heart raced as guests admired her work. Amidst the crowd, her eyes locked onto a stranger whose gaze felt both new and achingly familiar. Adrian stood before a painting that mirrored his own dreams, and as their eyes met, time seemed to stand still. With a hesitant smile, Adrian approached Ilara. "Your paintings. They're my dreams," he confessed, his voice trembling with awe. Ilara's heart skipped a beat. "And you? You're the man in my dreams." As their hands touched, an inexplicable warmth surged through them, a current of recognition that defied logic. In each other's presence, they felt the pull of destiny, as if their souls had been wandering through time, waiting for this moment. With each passing day, Ilara and Adrian's bond deepened, and the boundary between their worlds blurred. Together, they delved into the depths of their shared dreams, uncovering echoes of a past life that had bound them together across the ages. As they traced the threads of their connection, they discovered that their love wasn't confined by the constraints of time or distance. It was a love that had woven through centuries, an unbreakable bond that defied the ordinary and embraced the extraordinary. And so, in the sleepy coastal town where the waves whispered secrets, Ilara and Adrian proved that love could indeed transcend the boundaries of the seen and the unseen. Their love story became a testament to the power of connection, the magic of dreams, and the infinite beauty of two souls destined to find each other across the ages. Let's dive into passive voice using sentences from the story in a simple and attractive way. Passive voice. Passive voice is a way to emphasize the action or the receiver of the action instead of the doer. It's formed by using a form of the verb, to be, followed by the past participle of the main verb. Example from the story: each night, as the stars sprinkled the sky with diamond dust, Ilara's dreams transported her to a realm unknown. Active voice: Ilara's dreams transported her to a realm unknown. Passive voice: Ilara was transported to a realm unknown by her dreams. How to convert. Identify the subject, verb, and object in the active voice sentence. Put the object of the active sentence as the subject of the passive sentence. Use a form of the verb, to be, that matches the original verb tense. Add the past participle of the main verb. If needed, include the doer of the action using by. Example 2 from the story: Adrian's novel, too, took shape, the protagonist's journey intertwined with the unspoken magic of his visions. Active voice: the protagonist's journey intertwined with the unspoken magic of his visions. Passive voice: the unspoken magic of his visions was intertwined with the protagonist's journey. Example 3 from the story. Meanwhile, in a bustling city of endless stories and relentless energy, lived Adrian. Active voice. Adrian lived in a bustling city of endless stories and relentless energy. Passive voice. In a bustling city of endless stories and relentless energy, Adrian was lived. Remember, passive voice can add variety to your writing, but using it too much might make your writing less engaging. It's about finding the right balance. Let's expand your vocabulary using words from the story. Slumbering, in a state of sleep, dormant or inactive. Example, the slumbering village awoke with the first rays of dawn, as if the world itself had been dreaming. Enchanting, delightfully charming or captivating. Example, the enchanting melody of the piano echoed through the room, holding everyone in rapt attention. Echoed, repeated or reflected sound, often with a delay. Example, her laughter echoed in the quiet woods, creating a joyful symphony amidst nature. Attuned, in harmony or agreement with, accustomed or sensitive to. Example, the artist's heart was attuned to the rhythm of the waves, which she translated onto the canvas. Protagonist, the main character in a story or narrative. Example, in his novel, the protagonist embarks on a quest to uncover the truth hidden within ancient legends. Inexplicably, in a manner that cannot be explained or understood. Example, the old mansion, though abandoned for years, inexplicably had a warm and welcoming aura. Unraveling, the process of revealing or discovering something that was previously hidden or unknown. Example, the unraveling of the ancient map led them to a buried treasure hidden deep within the forest. Mesmerizing, captivating and holding one's attention in a spellbinding manner. Example, the dancer's performance was so mesmerizing that the entire audience was left in awe. Boundary, a dividing line or limit that separates one area from another. Example, the river served as a natural boundary between the two kingdoms, marking the edge of their territories. Constrained, restricted or limited in scope, space, or freedom. Example, her creativity was constrained by the small canvas, but she managed to create a masterpiece nonetheless. Destiny, a predetermined course of events or a force that determines the future. Example, they believed that their meeting was not a coincidence but rather a meeting of destined souls. Transcend, to go beyond the usual limits, to surpass or rise above. Example, their love story transcended cultural differences, proving that love knows no boundaries. Nostalgic, characterized by a sentimental longing or affection for the past. Example, the old photographs made her feel nostalgic, reminding her of the cherished memories of her childhood. Unbreakable, incapable of being broken or damaged, very strong and durable. Example, their friendship was unbreakable, surviving through all the trials and challenges they faced. Imaginative, characterized by creative and inventive thinking. Example, the children's imaginative stories transformed their backyard into a world of fantasy and adventure. Using these words in your writing and conversations will help expand your vocabulary and make your language more captivating and expressive.